Welcome to the installation video of Wozart Switch Controller Pro. These are the few simple tools you will need to connect Wozart to your switchboard. Understanding the Wozart Switch Controller Pro. As you can see at the back of the device, there are slots provided. N neutral, P for phase or live, and loads L1, L2, L3 and L4, and a unique setup code to pair your devices. On the side of the device, we have a switch connector slot and an antenna for Wi-Fi connectivity. Before we proceed, make sure you identify the loads you want to automate and their corresponding switches. Now switch off the power supply to that particular switchboard. Open the switchboard panel and unscrew as shown. As you can see, every switch will have two terminals in the back. One terminal will be connected to their corresponding loads. The other terminal will be commonly connected across all the switches through a naked wire. Disconnect the wire of your first load from the switchboard and connect it to the slot L1 on the Switch Controller Pro. Repeat the same for the second load. Connect your fan as a third load to slot L3. Please keep in mind that only a fan can be connected to L3. Disconnect the wire of fourth load and connect it to slot L4. Now disconnect the live or phase wire from the switchboard and connect it to the P slot on the Switch Controller Pro. The neutral wire will be an unconnected black or blue wire behind the switchboard. Connect it to the N slot on the Switch Controller Pro. Use a small wire to connect the two end slots of the Switch Controller Pro. Take the switch connector wire provided along with your device. Now connect the yellow wire of the switch connector to the slot where live wire was previously connected. Connect the orange wire to the first load of your switchboard. Similarly, connect the red wire to the second load on the switchboard. Now connect the brown wire to the third load on the switchboard. Finally, connect the black wire to the fourth load on the switchboard. Once completed, plug in the connector to the switch connector slot on the device. Fit the device in the switch box carefully and close the switchboard. Now switch on the power supply to the switchboard.